The quest for the perfect home espresso often feels like a journey with no end, especially for those of us who crave that barista-level perfection without the daily cafe tab. Enter the IHOMEKEE CM6822, an espresso machine that not only promises to deliver that coveted coffee shop quality right in your kitchen but also boasts a design that could very well make it the centerpiece of your home coffee station. The first thing you notice about the CM6822 is its classic modern look that effortlessly blends silver and black, exuding an air of sophistication that is rarely seen in home espresso machines. This isn't just another appliance, it's a statement piece. Constructed with durability in mind, the IHOMEKEE CM6822 is designed for longevity, featuring robust materials that assure you of many years of reliable service. Additionally, the convenience of a cup warming tray can't be overstated, particularly with its strategically placed handles which significantly ease movement and handling. But what truly sets this machine apart is its versatility. Whether you're in the mood for a robust espresso, a creamy cappuccino, or a luxurious latte, the CM6822 steps up, offering the ability to brew your favorite coffee drinks just the way you like them. This is thanks to the 15-bar professional pressure that ensures each cup is extracted to perfection, encapsulating the essence of your chosen beans. Operation is straightforward, eliminating the intimidation factor often associated with home espresso machines. The 3-in-1 filter holder is a welcome feature, accommodating single and double espresso shots, and the option to brew 2 individual shots simultaneously is a testament to its versatility. Coupled with an advanced fast heating system, the dream of enjoying a quick espresso before heading out the door becomes a reality. No discussion of the IHOMEKEE CM6822 would be complete without mentioning the powerful milk frother steam wand. It's the magic wand for milk lovers, allowing for the frothing and steaming of milk to perfection. The ability to craft a variety of popular. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.